In this video, let's take a look at theming with styled components. Styled components has full theming support by exporting a theme provider wrapper component. Let's understand how it works. In app.js, we are going to import the theme provider component from styled components. So import from styled components theme provider. We then wrap the app component JSX with the theme provider. This component accepts the app theme as a prop. So let's quickly create a theme. Const theme is an object and has two keys, dark and light. For dark, the primary color is going to be black and the text color is going to be white. Similarly, for light, primary color is white and the text color is black. Now, on the theme provider component, the theme prop is going to be equal to our defined theme. What you have to know about the theme provider is that it provides this theme to all React components underneath itself via the context API. So all the styled components will have access to this provided theme even when they're multiple levels deep. For our example, let's create a dark themed button. In button.styles.js, export const dark button is equal to styled, and we're going to use the styled button from above as our base component. Backticks, and now border is going to be 2 pixels solid, $curly braces. We get access to props, and on props we have the theme object. So props.theme.dark.primary, and so is the background color. We also set color to the text color. So props.theme.dark.text. And the background color should in fact be just the color. Let's import this component in app.js and head to the browser. You can see our dark themed button is working as expected. Of course, we have a very simple theme, but hopefully you now have an idea of how to use theme with styled components. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.